in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get my favorite beach waves. And yeah, so if you would like to know how to get this hair look, please keep on watching. Okay, so first to begin with, my hair is wet. You could do this either when you come out right from the shower, or you could get a spray bottle and just go ahead and wet your hair. The first product I like applying to my hair is the Tech Italy Hair Dimension Silk System Shine and Reconstruction. At the end, my hair usually looks a little bit more dry, so I want the most shine as possible so it doesn't look ugly. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my palm of my hand. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it through just so that there's no tangles or anything. Just because we're going to be doing braid. And you really have to vacuum right now. Split your hair in 2 sections because we will be doing braids, but before we do them, what I like doing, and it helps a lot, is I put some beach mist or spray, whatever you want to call it, onto your hair. So I have 2 kinds. I normally use this one. I'm not sure where it's from, but it says Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Soft Wave Sea Salt Spray infused with sea salt, aloe, and sea kelp. And this one is in Tropical Banana. I hate banana. But if you don't have this one or whatever, another one that I know of that I haven't used yet but I'm planning on is the BioSilk Silk Therapy Beach Texture Spray. This is what it looks like. So you could apply either one or anything that you have. Okay, so with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this on my hair. So, and then I kind of crunch it up. Okay, once that's dealt with, go ahead and do French braids on your hair. It doesn't matter if it's Dutch or anything, just, you know, a whole braid. And if you don't know how to do those on yourself, you could ask somebody. After I've done my braids, as you saw them, what I like doing is going ahead and spraying a little bit of more beach spray right on them. So let's do that. So next, what I like doing is getting some hairspray. This one is just regular hairspray by Satinique, something like that. This thingy, it doesn't matter what hairspray, just put some hairspray to your braids. And I don't know why I started doing this, I just did it and it really helped them stay in that braided shape. Like, it gave it that wavy and it kind of stayed there. So just go ahead and put this all over your hair, and yeah. And once you do that, you could go ahead and wait for them to dry. So normally I do this overnight. Like, if I'm gonna be going to school and I want wavy hair, I will do this in the night, and then the next day, you know, my hair is dry while I slept through it, so then I'll let it go. Or you could do it the way I'm doing it today, which is just wake up early, get your hair in braids, and then go on with your day until it is time for you to leave. Hopefully they are dry by then, and if they're not, you could get a blow dryer and just go ahead and put it through your hair, and hopefully it'll help it dry a little bit more quicker. So I'm just gonna go on with my day, get ready, clean, do anything you need to do, and I will be back with you guys when my hair is dry. Okay, so I have gotten ready and my hair is now dry. I did have to blow dry it a little bit, so now you could go ahead and take off the little hair ties. Oh, it's still wet. See, it's still wet. No, 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 no! It's not gonna come out how I wanted it! You guys, when you do it, you gotta 100% make sure that it's dry. Mine is not even dry. But it's okay, we're gonna work with this. Okay, so this side came out a little bit more like what I wanted than this side. But we got a solution, you guys. It still looks nice, but normally it's more, but it's damp right now, so it doesn't look the best. So we're gonna get the blow dryer and we're gonna scrunch it up. If you have a diffuser, that would be 10 times easier, but I don't think I have one. Okay, so I found this, but it doesn't really I don't know how. So before we do that, go ahead and get your beach wave spray. By the way, you shouldn't have to do this if your hair is already completely dry. I'm only doing this because it's not dry yet. So we're gonna go ahead and spray some more. I don't know how to do this. Okay, you see I didn't use it correctly, but it did something. It definitely dried it up and left it a little bit wavy. This is kind of what it should look like, maybe a little bit more wavy if your hair was 100% dry. Mine wasn't. But still we're gonna continue and it's still gonna look beautiful. So once again, heat up your curling iron and then we can move on. So once your curling iron is hot, you could go ahead and get any piece that you feel isn't wavy enough, or even if it is wavy, just go ahead and do this with a few strands. So get a piece about like this. I like opening it and then going like this, twist it and then close it and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and then let it go. And then you get a beautiful curl like that. You don't have to do all your hair, just a couple pieces. And I like to alternate it. So as you saw last time, I went like this. So now maybe I'll go like this. And don't go all the way to the roots or all the way to, you know, just in the middle. You see what it looks like? So now you could go ahead and apply some hairspray to your hair and you are done. Oh, by the way, you guys, you're not done actually. You know how I said earlier about the shine and everything? So, is my eyelash messed up? No. And finally, the final step, just to add that nice shine and make it look more beautiful, I like using the So Sexy Style Brilliant and Glossy Shine Mist, and literally this works so good and it smells amazing, and you just need a little bit and it'll like shine it off, like, you guys. So I just apply this to the ends of my hair. Okay, I said not a lot, but I literally went a lot. And you are done. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, just remember, if it is dry 100%, it will come out 10 times better. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and see you guys soon.